Hello students, welcome to your maths class, and today we will study the chapter whose name is arithmetic progression. Okay, so first of all we will learn that what is progression and what is arithmetic progression. So progression is a series of numbers. Okay, let suppose it is a series 1 3 5 7 comma dash dash dash. So it is a progression. If this series has a special type of property, what property? Let's see. The first term is 1. If we will add 2 in 1, then it becomes 3. And if we add 2 in 3, we will get 5. And if we will add 2 in 5, we will get 7. Okay, then this type of series which has a special property, what property? We will adding a fixed number in the terms. So in this example, what is the fixed number? It is 2. We add 2 in 1, it becomes 3. We add 2 in 3, we get 5. And when we will add 2 in 5, we will get 7. Right? So then if a series has a special property just like that, it is called arithmetic progression. So what will be the definition of arithmetic progression? If we will add a fixed number in the previous term to get the next term, is called arithmetic progression. This fixed number may be 0, any positive number, or any negative number. So in this example, we will add a positive number whose value is 2. So we have learned that what is arithmetic progression, and now we will learn some terminology. What is? So before going to terminology, we will discuss that there are two types of series: definite series and indefinite series. Definite series is a series which has a limited number of terms, just like this. It has only 5 terms. Okay, so this is definite. Definite AP. Okay, another is indefinite, means it has infinite number of terms. So just like this, 1 3 5 7 9 11 dash dash dash. It is indefinite AP. So which has a fixed number of terms is called definite AP, and which has a infinite number of terms is called indefinite AP. Right? Now we will enter in the terminology of arithmetic progression. First of all, we will check that it is arithmetic progression or not. What is the method? So first of all, 1 is the first term of this series. The first term is denoted by small a. Okay, so small a is equal to 1. So a, what is a? A is the first term of the series. Okay, the difference between two successive terms is called common difference, and it is denoted by small d. So how we will calculate small d? Small d, the formula of small d is t n plus 1 minus tn, means second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term. So in this example, the tn plus 1, if we will put n is equal to 1, then it becomes t2 and it becomes t1. So t2 is the second term, t1 is the first term. So what is the second term? 3. And what is the first term? It is 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So I hope that you will understand this topic, and in next lecture we will discuss nth term of this series and the sum of n terms. Okay. So we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye.